Hi guys, today I wanna learn you how to place order on Binance, how to buy crypto through P2P, peer-to-peer. I'm on the home page, this is interface, and I just click on the wallet on the left bottom, just click on wallet, and then you can click on funding. Okay, you can click on funding. After that you have show the P2P. You have to show two buy and sell options here. I wanna buy crypto. I just filter that the bank, easy paisa bank, and the country region. So now we are just buying. Let's assume I wanna buy 100 USDT. Merchant showing here, and we just checking out which one is comfortable and affordable for us, and we are going towards downside to checking which one is good for us. This one, Spark Exchanger, he's offering minimum 10,000 PKR to 1 lakh. That one is in our budget because the $100 is approximately 27,000 rupees PKR. So he's offering to pay through Easy Paisa. So we wanna pay them through Easy Paisa, and his limit is in our range. And look it, we just click on here, or they have two options. By fiat, it means we can type on manually on PKR, and otherwise we have to place in here in crypto and USDT. We wanna buy in 100 USDT. Click on here and just read the terms and conditions, his feedbacks regarding his past orders, everything mentioned here. So we just click on here and paying through our Easy Paisa or bank to different banking system to pay them through Easy Paisa. They mention his number in here, and that's the method to buying USDT. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.